guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to patch your own mermaid tail. This is our Fin Fun mermaid tail. It's an Atlantis tail. There is a tiny little hole here and around here. So it's this one. Super small now, but that's when you want to get it so it doesn't grow any bigger. So the first thing is you got to take it out of the monofin. And my doggy is very helpful. He's very helpful. So you want to turn it inside out so that the patch is pretty much invisible. So once you have it inside out, you want to separate each side of the mermaid tail so that you don't get them glued together by just putting we just have a clipboard. You just got to put it under where you're going to iron the hole. Let's see. Got to go through. There you can see here's the hole. Actually, there's a tiny hole right here that's close enough to where I'm just gonna cut the patch to a little oval over this. And as you can see, we already used this one. And you want to just cut it so that it's like a nice oval with smooth edges. I got it. Hey, so I'm actually gonna have my dad do it just because I don't want to accidentally burn this. And here's the patch. You just don't want sharp edges because it'll peel up. But I'm just gonna lay it down and I'm gonna film him doing it just so you can get someone who actually kind of understands it more. Thanks, Dad. So it's gonna be kind of hot for a while, so make sure not to burn yourself. But it's cool enough now where it won't attach itself. So I'm just gonna take out the clipboard and flip it back. See, it's all sealed in now. It won't stretch. And you can put the monofin back in. Thanks for watching, and remember, patching your own mermaid tail is amazing, and so are you. Oh, and if you like mermaids, check out my mermaid web series, Mermaid Secrets of the Deep. Link is in the description, and so is my Instagram.